What's up, traders? Going 3 for 3 today. We're going to jump right into it. As always, if you guys want to watch these trades live, first, the pinned comment down below will be the Twitch link over to the highlight section of my Twitch channel, which will show you all the trades, just the trades. You don't have to scroll through the stream or anything like that. But if you do want to watch me live, I'm live there every single morning, which is where I collect all the highlights from those streams. And yeah, so drop a follow over there. And if you want to support the channel, you can also subscribe. So on to our first trade, which was BEKE. A little frustrating on this one for several reasons. Got a really nice pop from that previous resistance. You can see it from yesterday's high here. And then as you can see, we get up to that whole dollar. We go through and we get that nice 21.20 area that we love. It does pull back pretty quickly, but not far enough for us. It was only like 5 or 6 cents, and it continues. And all I wanted to do was add at this thing up around 21.70 up through that $0.50. But as you can see, it got rejected right after $0.50, which then kind of puts us in an awkward spot. And typically, you know, we can draw the fib line, which will give us the 50% start of the move up to there, which I actually meant to do the previous resistance, not there. And it'll show you right around where that 50% line is. And that's what I was looking for. However, I started losing my patience because AMC started to move. So pretty much as it started dropping, I saw it was at 10 cents and it wasn't really like dropping fast like I had wanted it to. So just went ahead and took it off because at the exact same time, AMC started to move. And if you look at the entry on this one, 941.24 versus the exit on this one, 940.45, or was it? Nope. Is it the exit? Yeah. Exit is 21.07 down bottom. Yeah, they're both right there. 940. Why are those so far off? Let me just check the thing over here. Oh, that's right, because I took half off looking for the other half to come down, and then I waited. And then so the second one, but that's right. So 941 and 13 seconds. And then our entry on AMC was 941 and 24 seconds. So it was like 10 seconds later. And I saw this moving and I wanted it to go up through the $0.50 here, 17.50. It already made a really nice move. See the high from yesterday, 16.82. Got up through the whole dollar, started the grind though. But then I was like, okay, it's starting to extend and we're getting some nice volume up through 17.50 would be nice. Didn't seem to want to get it. I had full size loaded, which was not full size, but I had 200 shares loaded. I came down to 100 just in case it wanted to go through 50, but it was really struggling. So we jumped in there at 45 when the high was at 50. And it started to come back down. It was struggling here in the mid 20s. So we ended up taking 75% off. And I really wanted to get down to the 1682. It started to bounce here. Looked like it wanted to go back up through 17. So we took half of it off, seeing if we could get that extra bit. And when it got down here, it really felt weak because we never went back through 17. I was like, man, this thing might actually try to like go back to low a day and fade the rest of the day. So I tried to just keep a little bit on there and not take it off there. However, it started to climb, started to curl. And as you can see, the rest is history. We made a pretty good run there afterwards. So that was the trade on AMC. And then we had one more trade on ADGI. Nothing too special about this one. This one was probably a little bit forced, but made a decent little run here. It was kind of grinding all morning. And then we finally got a pretty decent pop up through that previous resistance area at 11.26, got up towards the whole dollar, was obviously hoping this would bust through 12 and give us a nice run up through there. But it did not. So we jumped in kind of on the way back down 11.76 and just kind of took the quick profit there because it was kind of struggling. It did give us that move back down to that previous resistance, which, 50% is a little bit lower than where we got it. But again, I kind of took just a starter position because I really wanted it up through 12.20 to get the regular size. So we just took half size looking for that move back down, got some of it. It was starting to struggle here a little bit, but then it kind of blasted through our order, which was unfortunate. But as you can see, it ended up getting bought up and going high of day again anyway, before eventually fading. So, the market's a little tricky right now. So using smaller size to stay comfortable as well as being punchy with the trades has really been helping me as of late. And I was really hoping Monday and Tuesday were kind of signs of what we would get today, but unfortunately it wasn't. It was a little bit slower today. We didn't really get anything obvious to play. But everything right off the Intensity Stock Watch scanners, if you guys are interested in those, link will be down below. Use TraderSync to log my trades every single day. Also a link below for that as well. You can try out TraderSync free for 7 days. ISW, you can come by the stream and see how I use them on a daily basis, which is kind of like getting to use them for free in a sense. And if you have any questions, you can always leave those down below. Find me in Discord or on Twitter. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.